Frequent consumption of spicy and heavy foods compromises the digestive health and renders one more vulnerable to intestinal disorders. The system gets toxic, a result of the production of free radicals and gases inside the body. Hence, there is a need to detoxify the body from such harmful materials through observation of a detox diet within a certain period. It is possible to flush toxins out of your body by taking a diet containing sufficient vegetables and fruits. Detox Diet Plan. Knowledge on the advantages of detox diets is useful, and you'll get encouraged to continue following your natural diet for a moment. It is impossible to jump into this plan straight away by scarifying some of your favorite foods. Wait for 3 or more days to be acquainted with these foods, and then you'll find the difference enjoyable. Make a plan with a goal well in advance, and then observe a diet which suits your system. Go for foods which detoxify the body. Here are some tips on a detox diet. Fruit diet. Citrus fruits are the most efficient detoxifying agents, hence feature in a detox diet. Take watery and citrus fruits constantly for 2 days. Begin your days with a glass containing fresh lemon juice which is stirred with honey. You may add crushed holy basil leaves inside it. Wait for an hour and then take a dish containing varied vegetables mixed with some citrus fruits. The plate will have cucumber, broccoli, melons and oranges among others. Eat to your satisfaction. Take a light water-based soup during lunchtime. Take pineapple and apple slices during the afternoon. Vegetable or fruit salad is preferable at dinner time. During the 2 days, you need to restrict yourself against drinking aerated drinks, canned juices or fast foods. Take green tea. Alongside these, take 3 or more liters of warm water daily. Juice diet. A naturally occurring detox diet constituting vegetable juices and fresh fruits effectively eliminates harmful toxins found in the body. Juice made using sweet lime, pineapple, watermelon, grapes and oranges contain minerals and antitoxins. Take a liquid diet for 3 days and then note the difference. Vegetables such as spinach and yam serve as wonderful detoxifying agents. Juices may also prevent unnecessary weight gain. Take juices in their natural form. A glass containing fresh mixed juice plus a plate full of boiled vegetables remains the best way to begin the day while under this diet. You have the option of alternating the lunch menu by drinking vegetable juices and eating fruit salads. Eat a mixture of carrot salad with peaches, pineapples, pomegranates, berries or pears during dinner. Soup diet. Soups are necessary in keeping you full the whole day. Consider soup recipes which require no addition of spices. Boil the vegetables and then add pepper and salt. Drink while warm without garnishing using butter or cheese. Take soups for a 2-day period alongside plenty of fruits and water. To vary the flavor and taste, stir in coconut milk. Eat buttermilk or yogurt as you follow soup diets. You may sauté the vegetables in olive oil.
Sa balay, lagi standby. Wala buhat sa tagat. Nag-iiga, sinasangatan. Wapalugit sa kong nanay. Kanya naabot si Juan. Nagdalaog pakwan na alert ang nanay. Kaya pakwan sa makatami. Sa dalagang ipasok sa dalan. Ay pastilan ni mo Jonathan ang umang sa pakwan. Naglaway pagyusiwan sa katamisa. Ay pastilan ni mo Jonathan ang umang sa pakwan. Naglaway pagyusiwan sa katamisa. Pakwa umuuwan sa mutalaki ang pakwan sa muta kong mataliksikan makitan yun sa kuwang ang pakwan kuwang ang pakwan umuuwan sa mutalaki ang pakwan sa muta kong mataliksikan makitan yun sa kuwang ang pakwan pakwan samot na kong matalik sikan makitan Yudili sa puwang pakwan puwang pakwan umuuwan samot kala